Hey, what is up, guys? It's Rafael here, your seven-figure e-commerce coach, and today I thought I'd talk about the future of Shopify and dropshipping, especially now, the last month of 2018, 2019, and 2020, how it's gonna transition, right? Everybody has doubts. Is Shopify gonna die? Is dropshipping, where is it gonna go? Where is it gonna go from here? So, how I see it in basically my own experience, my experience with my clients, and my experience with my students, how they're transitioning their businesses, how they're building their brands, how they're making big money, is transitioning from drop shipping, from like general, just whatever random product you can find, to actually building a brand, right? Building a sustainable brand that people go back to day in and day out, right? A brand that when people buy from, they tell their friends about, and they post on Facebook that they bought from, or they really feel proud that they bought from that brand and they contributed from that brand. So that's how I see dropshipping going. Is it's gonna stop being this, you take some random product off of AliExpress and put it on Shopify and it's gonna work, to actually people building brands, building legit companies, right? In the swimsuit company that I built this year, that's a legitimate brand. We build a brand with customers coming back day in and day out. My students are doing the same thing. One of my students, he built a brand off of baby products, and it's a legit brand. It looks like a real company, and it is a real company. They have a team of 3 people working on baby products, and they're selling a lot from that just because the brand looks absolutely beautiful. It looks great. The design is amazing, and people go back to that brand because they trust it. They get a lot of repurchases, a lot of people buying 1, 2, 3, even 5 or 10 products. So that's how I see it going in 2019. People are, general stores are basically, they're just gonna be a few successful, like general random product stores, like free plus shipping stuff, are just gonna be a few, a dime in a dozen. Brands, however, are gonna be a lot. And the people that go into Shopify, the beginners and newbies that go into Shopify, the best way, if you're a beginner and you're watching this video, you watch my channel, you learn from me, the best way for you to go is you can start off with general dropshipping to get an idea of how it works. Start learning Facebook ads, start learning Instagram influencers, Google, but you really want to transition to building a brand. That should be your end goal. Your end goal should be to have a legitimate brand that, you want to build a team and a legit company off of. You want to build a reputation. You want to even get some funding, right? You get some funding from investors. You need a brand to do that. And that I love to work with brands. I don't like to work with like general dropshipping sites. When like a potential student comes to me, if they have a brand, I like it more than if a student just has a random dropshipping site, right? So that's how I see it going. A lot of people are gonna build brands instead of dropshipping, and that should be your goal, because a brand, you can build it with SEO, you can get free traffic, slowly building it so that you don't have to always pay for ads. You can build an email list, a very strong email list, strong messenger list. You can build a strong social media following, strong Instagram. With a general store, you can't really build an Instagram off it. With a brand, you can build an Instagram. You can use influencers. You can get even press releases, even press coverage in the media. You can get invited to speak at a talk show or speak at at some TV show about your brand, because you're building it slowly. If you guys know the brand Gymshark, it's a multi-million, I think it's $1 billion brand right now. It's a brand that sells fitness products, and the main reason why they're so successful, it's because they're a brand. They're a beautiful brand that sells amazing fitness products, and everybody feels proud that they wear Gymshark, right? I'm a Gymshark. I share Gymshark with my friends. Like, that's how these people feel, their customers feel. It's because it's a legitimate brand, and you have a lot more power when making ads and just promoting it to people when you have a brand instead of just a general dropshipping site. You get better reviews from people. You just build a more legitimate business. So that's essentially how I see it going from now on. If you're just a beginner, if you're starting out, you have no idea how to do this, start out with a general one just to get the idea of it, but your goal should be to build a brand. So that's essentially it. That's what I wanted to talk about today. It's going to transition into brands, but dropshipping is still profitable. It is still profitable to do Shopify. It's going to be profitable 2019, 2020. It's not dead, right? I made a video, is dropshipping dead? No, it isn't. You just have to adapt to the movement and adapt to the market, right? How the market is transitioning, that's all. You don't have to fear that it's gonna be over, people are gonna stop selling on Shopify, you shouldn't learn Shopify. No, Shopify is just the software to build a company. Companies have been built for hundreds and thousands of years. People are building companies day in and day out. People are building startups day in and day out. Shopify is just a software that allows you to do it. It's just an e-commerce software that allows you to sell products online easier than, just a random WordPress site. That's it, right? People are gonna keep building companies. People are gonna keep building brands. This isn't going anywhere. E-commerce isn't going anywhere. My business isn't going anywhere. My students' businesses aren't going anywhere. It's all about transitioning to the market and just following the market, seeing what's happening and adapting to it. That's the true skill of a successful entrepreneur, is adapting. It's evolution. It's changing depending on the market. It's, okay, this is what's happening. Okay, let me study it. Let me see what's happening. Let me see how I can adapt to it, how I can adapt my business to it, and absolutely crush it. So definitely you can crush it in 2019, 2020 with Shopify. Don't be scared. It's not going anywhere. It's just a software to help you build a company. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a like below. Share with a friend that thinks dropshipping is going to die. It's not. Just subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in joining a one-on-one private coaching with me, you can book a free call in the description below. I'm offering a free call for anybody that subscribes to my channel, likes this video. You can essentially go and once you do that, go and schedule a free call, free hour consultation call with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out the other videos here on the channel. I teach Shopify, dropshipping, how to make money online, and how to build a freedom business lifestyle that you want to build. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.